So we're going to replace some coil packs in this 2002 Toyota Camry. If you get coil packs from online, it's a lot cheaper than getting them locally. These were less than $20. If I remember correctly, they're about $15. If you get them locally from like the local AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, I think they're about $50 for one of these. So it's a huge savings if you get them online. So we replaced a few of these about a month ago, but we only replaced two. There's two more that are starting to go bad. So we're just going to replace the ones that still need replaced. Because whenever one of these goes bad, it really affects the entire engine. So what I'm going to do is just remove these two 10mm bolts. That's one thing you'll notice about Toyotas is just about everything is 10mm on the engine. So now this just pops off. Here we go. And that reveals our coil packs. You can see this one and this one are both new, and then these two are the older ones. So let's go ahead and remove these. It's just a 10mm bolt as well. We'll remove that one over here. And then we'll also unplug them. You just squeeze down right here, and then that lifts up and unlatches. Same thing over here. I'll squeeze down, and then it comes right off. And then we can just pull the coil packs right out. Careful, don't lose these bolts. All right, so now we have the two old coil packs out. So here's our brand new coil pack. Looks nice and shiny. I'll go ahead and just pop this in. Just pushes down into the hole, just like that. We can plug it in, and I'll do that to the same thing over here. All right, we'll pop in the second one here, plug it in, and I'll go ahead and grab my bolts and put the bolts in. You never want to start the bolts with the drill or with any kind of power tool. You always want to put them in but you want to put them in as far as you can by hand, or at least far enough that you know the threads are fully on, because this is not something you want to strip. I know that those are going in, so I can go ahead and just speed the process up just a little bit. So now we know those are nice and tight. Everything is on there. All the plugs are on. And that's it. The coil packs are all plugged in and ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and throw this cover back on. And that's it. It's very simple to replace the coil packs, and everything's done. That probably took us, I don't know, 10 minutes, and we're done. Now we're just going to start the car, make sure everything's running good. Starts up great. Let it idle just for a few minutes and make sure it's not moving up and down or missing, but I think this is gonna fix the problem. This is also just kind of a step of preventative maintenance. The coil packs themselves were around the end of their lifespan, so we replaced those, and hopefully this is gonna run for a lot longer now.